Well, hello, my mad scrappers. I am back with another mail call. These are two packages that arrived today. This one was one I was expecting to arrive together with the other one that I've already shot, and it is the other part of my Spellbinders order. This is the dingleberry portion of the order. Because if you guys anybody watched my video, I confessed that I'm a dingleberry, which is no news to anybody. And, excuse me. And I had ordered in November, I opted out of the total package and ordered instead the three dies, the large, the small, and the glimmer. And then what I ended up doing is in December, I forgot to cancel it and also re-upped for the total package. So I got both of them. And I actually even have I have the thing to return it, but I opted not to. And just because I knew I needed to cancel it, but guess who forgot to cancel this die set again? Yeah, me. So you guys are going to benefit because both the one from December and this one from January are going to go into the giveaway for my 1,000 subscriber viewers. So I just want to show it off to you guys real quick, and then I'm going to set it aside. So I'm not going to destroy this envelope because I probably will just turn the corner or tape it all nice up and put a new label on it and send it off to whoever wins it. But this is the large, the small, and the glimmer plate. So that's one of the kit clubs that comes, and I had gotten it. So again, this one is going to be the Volkswagen with the little flowers and those teeny tiny little sentiments that are just so stinking adorable. I saw this done up, and if you guys think about it, here they did it in gold. Me, I would have done a cherry red. And I think I have really dark red. I mean, or anything, or a black one. Think about it. But at any color other than the color, but that's just me, okay? But I'm a crazy. But again, we're talking to the crazy person who forgot to turn the order off. So yeah, we're just gonna leave it at that. But anyway, so we have that, and we have the foil. I'm gonna leave it nice and wrapped up just the way it is, but I'll let you take a peek. And it is, I believe they said it is satin rose gold, awful pretty. So I'm just going to leave it like that in there because I'm just going to pop it back in the mail to a winner. The other element is the small die of the month, which has all of these wonderful sentiments and this ginormous, just really beautiful stylized ampersand. And this here is so you can layer it. So it has that layered effect. Plus it has some flowers and some leaves and some foliage. I mean, it is really, really, I mean, you can take... And here it's done very simply, but you know, you can make a spectacular card, throw a really beautiful embossed border or something background. It'll make a really, really beautiful card. So I got the total package for January. So I don't need to be convinced. I'm already convinced. So I'm just trying to convince you guys. And then, excuse me, last is the large die of the month. And that is Club Blooms. And it's just spectacular. It's just beautiful. I mean, there's no more words I can say than how these flowers are and what a beautiful card it will make. So yeah, some lucky winner is going to get this because, again, I'm a dingleberry. I'm just my own kind of special. And there you go. So we're going to tuck that back in its little bag and set that aside for the prize patrol. Okay, now let's go here. This is from scrapbook.com. It is just, you know, this and that's that I ordered from their clearance sale. And I got it all. So there's going to be some Christmas stuff involved that, you know, obviously went on sale. So that we will just save for, you know, next Christmas or for maybe Christmas in July. Who knows? But we are saving it. So let's see. Oh, look, my favorite stuff. Puffy stuff. The dunnage. And that's what Steve has told me. That is the technical word for it. So the man from Amazon should know. Okay, so bye-bye dunnage. Go away. So in fact, I'm going to take everything out of here and set this aside. We'll move the box. We can't send things flying anymore. We don't have, it's not the same. I don't have, you know, enough space to pitch a box across a room, you know, that across the room, it's not that far. Okay, so I have all kinds of goodie jobbers here. So set aside and let's start with what is in here. My goodness, and they really wrap this stuff. Wow, you know, and they're pretty quick about sending stuff. So I'm, you know, I can't complain. I always wish that maybe, you know, shipping was cheaper, but don't we all, right? So, you know, there you go. And just take these tapes off carefully. Why, I don't know. It's just, you know, because I'm a nut. Okay, so now, oh, it is open this way. And we'll get at all of the goodies. So we're going to start off with this sentiment stamp that I'm going to save for next Christmas. We'll add it to the collection for Christmas cards. But I love it. It's Christmas. Eat, drink, and be merry. Repeat whenever necessary. Right? There's always going to be that one funny card you send. You know, the Christmas season is Claus for celebration. I know a close friend of mine is a professional Santa Claus, and this is going to be on his Christmas card next year. That's for sure. Christmas is perfect reason to make cards for my favorite people. Congrats on making the list. Again, you know your people who you can send those kinds of stamps to. So I'm in a card with a stamp like that, and this is one of them. You know you're getting old when Santa starts to look attractive. You guys got to see it was marked down. Now you can see why I couldn't resist. It is just my kind of humor. So it's like, I had to have it. And these are a couple of items that are going to save me for Valentine's because I still cannot find all my Valentine's. So I'm going to go into the garage tomorrow. Cross your fingers, guys, that I find my container with all my Valentine's, because I don't know where it is. If it's not here, then it's going to be in storage. Ugh. That's not going to be fun because I put everything that I didn't think I was going to need in the back corner of the storage because that made logical sense. Yeah, we're not going to go there. So I got one of these, the shaped die. So it's a pocket. So it's a heart pocket. So that's actually going to come in very handy for the swap I'm going to be doing for V&A Creates. So this one is, both of these are, this is a regular heart pocket and then this is a scalloped hearts pocket. So I got both of them. So I really like them. I'm going, I need these. And I don't, maybe I didn't need them, but I wanted them. And that's the same thing, right? So I have both of these. So these will be turning up soon in a project because I have to start working on that project immediately. Okay, next is, because heaven forbid, I do not have enough Merry Christmases, but I really like this one. So this is, and I wish they put on the back or something, so I'll have to die cut it out so you guys can see. But it's a Merry Christmas, but it's that ribbony, flourishy, so popular now cut. So, and it's a nice size. So, yes, I had to have it. So, yes, I got it because I have no self-control. Okay, I'm going to set this one aside for a second. Oh, there's my shipping label. We'll put that there. Put that there, so we'll do those together. I ordered another package of my favorite strips. I almost ordered the double pack, but I go, okay, Myra, it takes me a while to go through these, and I'm probably, actually my package is upstairs, halfway through the package I have, but you know what? Never hurts. It was on sale, so I'm like, okay, so this is their foam adhesive 1/8 inch strips. It is absolutely hands down right now my favorite foam strips size, 1/8 of an inch. I'm sure other people do it. I don't know who else does, but I love it. I'm in love with these. So I have a new package for it. And then I went ahead and got these, the shaped dies Snowflakes. Not that I need more snowflake dies. No. But I saw a project and these are really nice size. So we have some smaller ones. I have a lot of these size, but we have two big ones too. So, and we're still in winter. Hello, this is January. I can still make winter cards. So I already have a project in my little pea brain for this one. So you might be seeing this one sooner than later. So those are my little, my snowflakes. And then last in the bag is I went ahead and got one of the transparent mats from Scrapbook for my Misty. I wanted to give this a whirl and see, you know, give it a try, because I thought, wait a minute, if I could stick my card to this and it's not high tack, and then I can just put my magnet there, I don't have to worry about, you know, I think it'll make stamping easier for me. So we're going to see. We're going to give it a whirl. We're going to give it a try. So we'll do our own little handy dandy review, demo, whatever. But I went and bought one. I figured let's start out with one and see how that goes. Okay, the next thing, and this was a free gift. So, of course, if it says free, of course I'm going to add it into my card. And it is Scrapbooking cards, the issue today. So, and it is a winter issue. And you know me, how I feel about magazines. Heaven forbid, I don't have enough of them. So, I mean, we just have all kinds of projects in here. You know what? It was free. So this is, you know, and here we go. And of course, this is scrapbooking, and I don't make enough pages. I need to go back. Look how pretty that is. Ooh, look at that. And I have other birdies. May not have that birdie, but I have other birdies. Ooh, so see, this is why you get, inspiration. So these are really good. I need to get back to doing pages. So maybe this is going to kickstart my going back and doing some, where I started in scrapbooking. I really, really did. Look how cute that is. That is, yeah, that's Simon Hurley. I have that stamp. So there you go. See? So just really, oh, look, wait a minute. Look at that. Look how cute that is. Ooh, yeah, I have this. So, of course, because I have all of this. See, this is why you get the magazines. You never know where you're going to find inspiration and, and or perspiration or both. All in, it's like me. It's like, ugh. So, wait a minute. Isn't that cute? That is a really, really cool page. But think about it. This could be done as a card, too. Nothing that is done big cannot be made smaller. And that's just scrap paper. Ooh. That's a neat project for next year. If I can keep it in my pea brain. So, I mean, that's just it. So this was a freebie magazine. And I got it. So it's mine. All mine. Okay, and last in this package is I went ahead and got the Nutcracker. And I got the little chipboard pieces that went with it. I have a thing for Nutcrackers. There's among my things I have a thing about many things, but I love Nutcrackers. So let me carefully open it with my lovely, lovely, lovely handy dandy Amazon opening tool. But oh my gosh, this thing is the best for opening pads of paper. Absolutely bar none, the best. And I have one of these now in teal, but it's the other, I guess, newer one. But this one has a better point to get in for the paper pads. The other one I'm sure is great for opening packages, but this one is great for opening paper pads. So let's look at this paper. I mean, I just love it. And I forget, is this double-sided or single-sided? It is single-sided, so great. So I can just go through. I believe it's 2 sheets of every, but I love it. I love the Nutcracker. We got this beautiful pillow that sings. That it's a musical pillow for the bed. It's just a throw pillow. It had the Nutcracker on it. I love the Nutcracker. So we have this. We have these pages. I mean, that one, I love it. The princess, the sugar plum fairy, the Nutcracker, the mouse. I have never seen the Nutcracker. I have a fascination for it. I have never seen it in person. So yeah, that's going to be on my bucket list is to see the Nutcracker done. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. Just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look how cute these ornaments are. Either as a page or just cut out. These would be cool to be cut out and done as a card. Oh, look how pretty. I love this paper. I can only see it in small, but on the website. But yeah, I'm glad I got it. I love these little guys. Oh, and look at that. And this one is, hopefully, can you see that it's got some gold foiling on it? Hopefully you can. I love. Did I mention that I love this? Okay, I just want to be clear. You make sure everybody knew. Oh, look at that. All of this is paper. Yes, this will get use. I will get use. And look at the trees. And again, more gold foiling. I was not expecting. I don't think I was paying attention. I didn't realize it had gold foiling to it. Yeah. And this is it's marked down. It's on clearance. So I think all of these items are still available. So I will link you down below to any of these items. If you're interested, they're going to be on scrapbook.com. Oh, and look at that. More gold foiling. Little stars. Can you see it? Hopefully you can. Hopefully you can. I mean, I put a mat down here so we don't have the glare of my glass top table. But I loved, oh, look at this. This is so pretty. The holly leaves and mistletoe. I think they're mistletoe. I'm thinking it's mistletoe. So, your mileage may vary. I love look at this. The wreath. Just the wreath with those pretty. These are stylized. So these are very stylized, very folk art, very Scandinavian, of course, from the Eastern Europeans. So this and Nutcracker's Russian, is it not? I forget. So definitely that is East European. Oh my God, look how pretty this is. Wow. And me in pink, and oh my God, I love this. Absolutely beautiful. Hopefully you guys can see. Wow. This is, and look at here, more stars in a deep brick red. Make great background paper or anything. Oh, and look, and more gold foil. Wow. I think I need to order another pad. Me thinks we may have to get another one. Oh my gosh. But look at that again. gold foiling, and this was marked down, so I thought I got it for a great price. So I think personally, I mean, I probably would have paid for it anyway because I just loved it, and I loved it in this, and I love it more now that I see it. And that's the last two sheets, which is just a nice little sky. So I mean, that's it. This was a small little haul. I have to go. We're going to be running out, and I have to go to where I used to live. I mean, actually not where I used to live. I have to meet my housemate, who says, you know, we've had a package here for forever for you. And I go, no, I wouldn't know that because nobody tells me. So I have a couple, and then a package that arrived today, which is my tonic kit of the month. That and so that arrived today. So he works close to us. So I'm going to go up. He works at the Castle Inn, which is the hotel across the street from Disneyland. Anybody's familiar with it? That's shaped like a castle. So he's security there. So I'm going to meet him there to pick up my mail. So there you go, guys. This is all I have for you for this haul. Thank you very much for hanging out with me, watching with all my, all the damage I do with all my shopping. Hopefully, and look forward to it, guys, because remember, I have the prize for you. So if you guys like this, go ahead, please give me a thumbs up. It still helps with the algorithms. I'm still trying to grow the channel, even though I've met my initial goal, and I'm so excited about that. But thank you very much. Give me a thumbs up. Drop me a note. Okay, I'm reading. Am I reading? I am. And I will then catch you on the next video. Meanwhile, guys, go out and make something beautiful. I will try to do the same, or at least I'll make something entertaining. One or the other, okay? So meanwhile, don't ever forget, guys, we're all a little mad here, okay, in this channel. So come on, let's all craft the madness together, okay? I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye!